when I come home and you're already asleep. I hate it when you throw things out without talking to me. I hate how you've come to expect that I'll let you down. I hate the way you seem to always make us late, and you pick a fight and I take the bait. I hate the way you keep it so cold in this room. I hate how you steal the covers. I hate how you fight with your mother. But more than your favorite song, I hate it when you're gone. Yeah, I hate it when you're gone. I hate it when I ask if I'm the best that you've had. You answer too slow, then turn your back. I hate it when you compare me to others that came before. I hate the way you whisper to your friends on the phone, and the way you can make me feel so all alone. I hate it when I feel like we're trying too hard. I hate when you're lost in the TV, and I need you and you barely see me. But more than admitting I'm wrong, I hate it when you're gone. Said I hate it when you're gone. It's always, it's never. You roll your eyes and say whatever. I just go along, and I just go along. I hate just how much I adore you. I hate that I can't be there for you, and more than admitting I'm wrong, I hate it when I see you crying. You say you're okay, but you're lying. And more than the dark, it's the dark. I hate it when you're gone. Yeah, I hate it when you're gone.